So welcome once again to the Code for Everyone, and as we have learned all the most of the concept over the linked list, and we have learned like how to create the singly linked list, and we try to define all the function like add first, add last, and insert to the specific positions, right? In this particular video we are going to talk about the deletion, right? So the method is going to looks like that you have given one suppose public delete, right? And you have given one positions, and position specific positions value you have to delete. So what are the so if you try to solve this problem specific, so what are the edge cases can be, right? So suppose you do not have your head is null, so that could be one reason. Second reasons could be if your position is 0, right? Okay, if this scenario, so and if your head is like here, so simply what we can do, we can move these positions from head from here to here. This is very simple. Okay, just try to write this two code. So if your head is null, right, we are not going to do anything, simply we will return from this function. Now second, if your position is equal to 0, what we are going to do, we are telling head. So suppose you declare one variable link load current equal to head. What we are asking, head equal to current dot next, right? It's pretty much simple, right? Third scenario what could be, suppose you have given one, another example I am taking 1 2 3 4 and null, right? Suppose your list length is 4 and somebody is asking to delete the value which is present at the 9th node. Suppose your position is 9. In this case also we will not be able to delete that specific node, and we need to avoid. So what we are going to do, so look at very closely here. So 1 2 3 4 5 and null. So in this example your position is 3, so I am asking go and delete the position 3 whichever node is there. So I need to delete this node. So what we can do, we can get this previous node. So this is the previous node, okay, and we will ask this previous node, instead of pointing the next node, we'll ask point to the next node. And one is done, the list is going to look like, and 3 will be deleted. So here is the catch. So if your position is 3, we'll go till 2, right, and so at least we will get the previous node. So what code we are going to write here, so current node we have, okay, suppose here is the current, right, while your position is greater than 1, okay, and your current dot next not equal to null. So once we start here, we are giving two conditions. Current should be greater than 2, so at least we will find the 2 here, or if it will go, suppose 9 has been given, so it will move till this level. So anything which is after tail we do not have to delete anything, simply we need to write some conditions so at least we can escape those operations. So here what we need to do, reduce the position, second what we can do, like move the current pointer to current dot next. Now at least we are familiar with how this next work, right? And if it's a tail node or node doesn't exist, if current is not equal to null and current dot next not equal to null, so we are trying to cover both. We are trying to cover tail node as well as the node which is not available. In this case we will ask current dot next equal to current dot next dot next. Okay, so it's pretty simple code. So handle the edge case if your head is null, handle another case if your position is 0, okay, or if given certain positions, right, try to get the previous node up from the positions and ask previous node to point to the next node. Okay, and here we are checking two conditions. It should not be tail node, right, or position is greater than list length. So just avoid these two conditions or we'll able to solve this problem. So now we are pretty much familiar about the linked list, how to create the node. Post that we created how to create the singly linked list, and we try to define all the CRUD operations, how to create, how to update, how to delete, right, and how to insert. And another functions we have already seen, how to read the linked list. That we can do either through the recursion or using the while loop. So this is all about the linked list. Once it completed, I will try to solve some of the LeetCode problem which is related to the linked list. But before that, try to go about the theory and try to learn how these operations work. Try to create your own data structure and try to write down the function and try to understand each and every bit of the concept. Once you are familiar about this, you will able to solve all kind of problems which are related to linked list. Even the problem you have not seen before, at least in the interview, at least you should be able to come up with the brute force solution of that, right? And now you are familiar about the all the time and space complexity about the linked list, right? And if your interviewer is giving little bit hint about the optimized solution, at least you will able to catch it and you will able to do. So do not remember or mug up anything which is related to linked list, because if you have not seen any question which is coming the first time, it will be difficult to solve. So here is the take that if you have any doubt, anything, just comment it. So I will pick those comment in the comment and I will try to clarify in the next. So first we are adding 105 in the second place, so we are able to do that, and the 108 third place. So this is the code. While insertion, now we will look at how we can delete. So delete operations we need to be caution. We need to handle some of the edge cases. So if your head is equal to null, right? So we are not doing anything, right? Now move to link node, like current node equal to this dot head. Now current node is pointing to the head, right? Okay, but if your position is suppose 0, right, and if asking to delete the head, so it's pretty simple. Just we need to do this dot head, right, equal to current node dot next. Okay, and this is this, and once you have done, we can return from this. Otherwise, again we need to do same thing. Just we need to find the specific positions node. Okay, and that previous node we can, as we got the previous node, we will ask previous node to point to the next node. So here, yeah, while loop, We have done this operation multiple times. So position should be greater than 1, and what we are going to current dot next not equal to null, right? Move the current node next. So here we will move each and every item till end of the node, okay, and as soon as we reach to the tail node we will move out from this loop. So we can and try to reduce the position. Not check if it's a null node, right? It should not be null node, okay. And second, what we another thing we need to test, like it should not be the tail node, okay. Then we will ask, okay, now we got the previous node, we will ask previous node dot next equal to previous node dot next. So this is the node what we are deleting, dot next node, and we are done. Now test this functionality, right? And we will do delete testing deletion. So my list dot delete the third position, my list dot print. So once it deleted, it will print the remaining node. One, two, three. Actually, if you see that we need to delete what node I've given, third, right? So it will have 1, 2, 3. It should delete 105. What we are deleting this node. So might be there could be we need to make little change here. This should be greater than greater than 2. We need the previous node, right? For that reason. So now we are able to delete the 105. So this is the about deletion.